So in this video I'll be teaching you how I went from this to this. The first thing I did was to go to my browser. Let's go free pick. Then you click on this first one here that appear on my screen. Then you see this place, it says what can I help you create. You tap on it to search, and you search for YouTube studio background. Then you search. Then all these background are going to appear. Then you choose the one that you like. So me, I'm going for this first one. So you long press it, then you save image. Then you download it. Me, I already have it. So you come to Capcut. You tap on new project. So you select the downloaded background. Add. Then you click on overlay and add overlay. Then you add that video. Then add. Then you head to remove background, auto remover. You see. Then now you position it. Have you seen it? Then you tap on this and drag it to where the video stops. Then you tap effects, video effects. Then you go to lens. Then you tap on blur, adjust. Then you drag it to this and save. Then go back, come to adjust. Then you tap on all this and increase them to amount that you like. Then to sharpen it, clarity good. Then you save. This is it. Then you can go ahead and export.